The kit comes with everything you need to complete the project. Using an interior cleaning solution, make sure your glove box is nice and clean. Spray both of your hands with the install solution until wet. Spray the install area. Spray the Glovebox PPF on the outside. Peel and spray the inside too. Before applying, make sure you have the right orientation. The top corner will have a straighter cut than the other corners. Start by aligning the top left and right corners. Take your time, and if it starts getting difficult to move around, spray more install solution. This will allow it to glide better. Once you've aligned both top corners, run your hand down the middle and then out toward the sides of the glove box. Everything should line up if the corners were aligned. While holding the piece, squeegee from the middle to the top until you get to the end. Now squeegee from the middle to the bottom, getting all the soap out. Using a microfiber cloth, wipe down all the soap. Let it dry for at least 24 hours.